How to unhide post on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you unhide post on Facebook. To do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is open up your Facebook application and log into it. After you're logged in, it's going to take you to this sort of field. So here, click on the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a bit and go to settings and privacy, and there you want to go to click on settings. After which, what next you have to do is on this page, you want to scroll down and go to your activity. Once you go to activity or your activity, click on activity log from that section, and you will then be taken to this page. So while you're on this page, you want to go to your Facebook activity from the top of the page, and then you have this lot of sections. So click on post. After you click on post, then you could see this sort of pop-up and click on post hidden from profile. So you could actually see the post, and in order to unhide it, you just want to toggle the button, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.